Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Christine and welcome back. Today I am doing an unboxing of, this is from TSC and it's the It Cosmetics and it's called It's Your Most Beautiful Palette with Brush. So this is, came in this box right here, and when you take it out, here is the item. It has this palette and it says right there, your most beautiful you. And when you open it up, as you can see, it's pretty big, half the size of my head. When you open it, and it's this palette. This retails for 49 bucks right here. Take that off. And when you swatch it, this right here, and right here. So this is the Luminizer, this is the bronzer, and this is the blush. The bronzer doesn't show up quite well on my skin tone. I guess I'm too tan right now, but during winter time I can definitely use this. And also it came with this brush. So this is 49 bucks. And it came with this brush. This is called Heavenly Luxe Angled Radiance Brush number 10. Like that. And it's angled just like that. This is shorter compared to a regular brush. And that's what it looks like. Right there. You should get an idea. Looks like that. And also with the purchase, I got this for free. I'm assuming because I spend a certain amount, so I got this for free. It's called Party Popper. And let's see what's in there. Just opening it. Excuse my cat. It's almost his feeding time, so he's making noise. It says Pop and Pout on the back right here. Open it up. It has 3 of these lip product. Party Popper Pop and Pout. One is Sparkling Rose, it says, and Champagne, and this one here, Prosecco, right there. So when you open it, looks like this. This is clear. It smells good. It smells sweet and got like a minty scent at the same time. Oh, this is okay. Maybe it's just the flavor, so it has no color, I guess, or it changes color eventually. This one is this right here. So they all smell sweet, but it has different scent to it. The first one smelled better. It has a honey scent. And the last one is this. It says Volumizing Lip Serum in Bubbly Presence. So like that. And same thing when I put it on. Trying to squeeze it out. This one smells good too. So the first one and the second, no, the first one and the third one smells good. So Sparkling Rose right here. Let's see if it picks it up. And this one is Bubbly Presence. And Shimmering Champagne right there. So they're just shiny gloss. There you go. So that was free, but the other two items that I got, these I purchased for $59.99. I got an additional 20% off with it. And it says for the total price of these two items are $97 if you were to purchase them separately. So if you guys are interested in purchasing that at TSC, they are still available for $59.99. And hopefully that helps you to get an idea how it is and what it looks like, how big is this palette, and the brush just right there. And I'll see you next time.